Whether you're looking to save space in a compact kitchen or need professional-grade temperature control for a high-stakes recipe, your cooking station just got a serious upgrade. Welcome back. If you're ready to master everything from delicate chocolate melting to high-heat searing, the Nuwave Gold Pro Precision Induction Cooktop is the absolute gold standard for portable culinary tech in 2026. This isn't just a backup burner. It is a precision instrument featuring an 8-inch induction heating coil housed within a spacious 12-inch heat-resistant ceramic glass surface. The Gold Pro stands out with its incredible temperature range, allowing you to adjust from a low 100 degrees Fahrenheit to a searing 575 degrees Fahrenheit in ultra-precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. This level of granularity means you can sous vide, simmer, or fry with absolute confidence, knowing your oil will never hit its smoke point unless you want it to. What really makes the Gold Pro a standout for 2026 is its adaptability and safety. It features adjustable wattage, 700W, 900W, and 1500W, making it perfect for RVs or dorms where you might need to limit power draw to avoid tripping a breaker. Safety is baked into the design with a built-in auto shutoff that triggers the moment you lift your pan, and a shatterproof surface that stays cool to the touch everywhere the magnetic induction is inactive. Lightweight, durable, and capable of holding up to 50 pounds, it's arguably the most versatile and reliable portable cooktop on the market today. Click the link below for the best price and revolutionize your kitchen today. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect cooking companion, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the home gear that actually delivers. See you in the next one.